Okay, let's dive into a chemical element you probably never heard of. Scandium. It's a real hidden hero.
So how did this obscure metal become so important for things like aircraft? Let's solve this mystery.
All right, clue number 1. We're heading back to the 1800s, to a famous scientific map with a big missing piece.
The legendary Dmitri Mendeleev looked at his periodic table, saw a gap, and basically said, an element goes here. And get this, his predictions were spot on. This totally proved his whole periodic table was legit.
Okay, on to clue number 2. This one's a real paradox. How is this stuff everywhere and nowhere?
Believe it or not, there's more scandium in the Earth's crust than lead, but it's actually rarer to get than gold.
So what's going on here? Well, it all comes down to how it's spread out.
See, it's not found in big, concentrated chunks. It's scattered everywhere in tiny, tiny amounts.
Because it's so hard to gather, the whole world only produces about 10 to 20 tons a year.
To put that in perspective, the entire planet's annual supply could fit in the back of one pickup truck. And for our last clue, it's superpower. A tiny pinch of this stuff can do some incredible things.
Just a dash of scandium and aluminum pins the metal's grains, making a super strong, heat-resistant alloy.
That's why you find it in fighter jets and high-end baseball bats. It's all about strength without the weight.
But it's not just about being strong. It's also used to create, believe it or not, artificial sunlight.
Ever wonder why stadium and movie lights look so natural? Yep, you can thank Scandium for that.
So let's solve this thing. How did this little-known metal get to be such a big deal?
It's the perfect storm, a brilliant prediction, a weird geological fact, and an amazing materials science superpower.
It makes you wonder, right? What other unsung heroes are just waiting to be discovered in the periodic table?